Hey up. I think like most people, I've got one of these platforms that you kind of stand on when you're doing decorating and stuff like that. Now, the problem I've got with this is they've got plastic feet on. I don't know if you can see that, but they've got plastic feet on. Like that. And as you can see on that one, it's broke off. And this one here is broke off. Now, I'm kind of wondering if half the problem is, basically these are cut square. Whereas, I mean, should they really be on like a bit of an angle? You know, there's one of the good feet, if you like. Anyway, what I'm thinking of doing is cutting these sort of on an angle, so when it's sitting on the floor, it's where it should be, and making some feet for them go on. Now, I've looked online for them, and I can see some, but I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure whether they'll fit, the ones I've seen. If for ladders and stuff like that, and they seem a lot bigger than what I need. So anyway, the plan is to perhaps make some out of wood. I don't know yet. It's my lad's got a plastic one of them bloody 3D printer things, and I was going to get him make some, but then I'm thinking, well, the trouble is with 3D printed stuff, it tends to be a bit brittle, the plastic, and I'm just thinking they'll break again. So my idea is anyway to cut these sort of level, and then just make it like a wooden sleeve that'll fit over in some way. I don't know, probably a bit of plywood. It'll probably be a bit clumpy, but the idea is it protects the floor when you're in the house with it. Anyway, let's see where we go with it. Right, so what I've done, I've cut these, well, I've cut them, I haven't cut them yet, have I? I've marked these out, all round, and I'll just chop them off now. Right, that's all 4 feet cut off. Right, all the bits are cut. I've cut a bit of an angle on those ones there, and the idea is to do something like, well, something like that, I suppose. And then I'll chop the bit of waste off after. Anyway, that's another little job done. I don't know how long they'll last, I'll be honest with you, but I mean, they can't be any worse than the last ones that were on. So hopefully they'll stand the test of time, but time will tell, we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. My numbers are creeping up towards the 400 mark, so any extra subs is most welcome. And I'll catch you on the next one.